So we're going to want to start with ribbon. We're going to have one that's pre-cut to the length of our neck and some excess ribbon for decorations and in case we make a mistake. And then of course we'll want needle and thread. We're also going to want a lighter, scissors, and some kind of fastening. I'm choosing to use these hook and eye rather than clasps. It's all up to personal taste. Now because this piece is a little bit too frayed, we don't want to seal it with the lighter because it will catch on fire. If you're a younger viewer, please have your parents do this instead. And just running it along that edge there will help seal that up. And now we have a nice sealed edge. Now we're going to go back to the needle and thread. I always like to thread my needle first because it's something that I find really difficult. Now because I'm not hand sewing a large portion, I'm going to double this, lay the threads across each other and knot it like this. Now it doesn't matter if these stitches are exposed, which they are, because we're going to be covering it with a detail bow. Which, speaking of, it's time to do that bow. I've tied a couple bows and this is the prettiest one I've got, so this is the one we're going to use. Now what I'm preparing to do is sewing into the bow to make sure it all stays put the way it's supposed to. And there we have a nice, cute bow. Then we try it on to make sure it fits. I am in my pajamas, but that doesn't mean I can't put it up if my mouse will cooperate. See? Cute little bow. So once you ensure that the item fits, you're done. You have made yourself a cute little ribbon bow choker. And you can use this for whatever you want. So thank you all for watching. I hope you guys found this helpful. If you did, make sure to like this video so I know you liked it. Comment if you have something to say, and of course, subscribe and ring that bell to keep up with all my endeavors into makeup, gaming, and general geekery. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.